This news, call 12 for action. A 2-year-old Connecticut toddler is in critical condition tonight after a television fell on top of him.
More and more children are getting hurt from toppling TVs. That is the latest finding from a study out of Toronto.
First tonight, a horrifying story. A little girl, almost 2 years old, is in critical condition after a television fell on her head.
A local child is hurt by a falling television.
They're talking about the number of children injured and sometimes killed when a television set falls on top of them.
It is a sad statistic and a warning to parents everywhere. Every 30 minutes, a child is treated in the ER for an injury caused by a falling television.
Welcome back to our talk tonight. A beautiful little girl from Syracuse, Amaya, died when a television set fell on her, crushing her back in September. She was just 2 years old.
Don't take a chance with your AV. Call J&E. We're the AV experts.